Hello, this is W206 C200 imported from UK with UK map. We have loaded Singapore, Malaysia, Thailand, and other Southeast Asia countries maps into this car, and also activate the augmented reality navigation in this C-Class. And another thing is the traffic live view. It's a new feature. Has been activated. So we are approaching this junction of the Bukit Batok Street 23, and the AR camera shows up and with a bigger arrow in the center, and this arrow becomes 5 big arrows indicating you are going to turn right at that junction, and these arrows, and on top there's a street name becoming bigger and bigger when you're approaching to this junction. Okay, the real street view is like that. So actually this camera on top of the windscreen will shooting the video and the feedback into the car. After the junction, the navigation goes to normal. So we drive a bit further, we will have another right turn to see this augmented reality navigation. Okay, 200 meters to this junction. Then this camera will, this AR camera will show up. Same with a big arrow. As we approach into the junction, this arrow will change in the same way. Okay. Yeah, so this feature make your navigation much easier, and it will be difficult to miss the turn, right? So you can see clearly where to turn exactly. Okay, and we can also see the traffic light view on the bottom right of the image has been activated. This is the camera mounting in the windscreen, and this is a image in the wing instrument cluster. Let us show you this Dashcam apps. You go inside the apps and the Dashcam and start recording. So the camera is recording and save the video into the thumb drive. And this is augmented reality camera. Actually, he has two functions. So we wave our hands to demo purpose. After the video recording stop, we can browse the videos like this. So it can play back instantly if anything happens in your car. And according to the timeline, you can also find out the video you want to see. Because when you're recording, maybe you have a lot of videos. And if you have the same model, feel free to contact us to get yours done. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.